We are back at Huntington Lake for the 69th annual High Sierra Regatta. We did a lot of work on Geronimo, getting her ready for the race, and she is shipshape, mostly. We were taking off the rudder because we wanted to start sanding our bottom that we put on last year just to give it a nice burnished bottom. And we took off the rudder and immediately saw that the top where the tiller attachment actually grabs onto, where the key goes in, there's a fat old crack going through the top of the rudder stock, to the point where like this would definitely shear off if we did another race with it. So that's very scary, and I don't love that. So we are going to either get a new rudder that hopefully someone in the fleet maybe has an extra that we can have or borrow, and if that doesn't happen, then we're gonna have to fix this, which is gonna be real fun. So, problem of our rudder, it's a bad one, right? And there's not really a super good fix to weld anything on top of the old stock, because it's just probably gonna break again. So the idea I came up with is that we're just gonna basically shorten the rudder stock by about 2 inches and cut it off where the bad stuff is and get back to good stock. And all I have to do really on the boat is lower this platform here down about 2 inches. And the reason I was more okay with doing this is because I had a fear the core was not so great in this area. Well, it is very bad in this area. So it's one of those things where it's like, well, I'm glad we're doing this. So now that this is all out, I'm gonna clean all the bad crap out of here, cut the tube down a little bit, and glass everything back together, and we should be back in shape. The good news is that it fits and it works. So we're gonna make the race. I was a little worried there for a second. Putting on some ball bearing blocks on our jib sheets, for our jib sheets I should say, because there's just old ones had a lot of resistance, so we're trying to cut down on resistance. Who knows if it's going to work. Heading up to the lake. With all the modifications we've done, like the Dynamo rigging and the new rudder, we have a lot of things that we're excited for. Our friends Mitch and Quincy are up here also on a Victory 21 for their second year in a row, and all in all, we're just excited for a really fun week up here in the mountains. Still got it.
Our first day of racing had come to an end, leaving us in 7th place. Frustrated by the way the boat was sailing, we decided to shake it all off and enjoy the evening with friends. The second and final race day, we woke up early to tune the rig, hoping it would increase our performance. And we are proud to say it did, causing us to point higher and sail faster. That's a wrap on the 69th annual High Sierra Regatta. It was a great time out on the water, surrounded by our fleet and our new friends, and we can't wait to race in the 70th next year. Geronimo performed really well. Although we came in 6th, we're still very happy with how we sailed. We're hoping next year that we will have more tiller time so we can really fine-tune the boat before the race, which will hopefully help us place better. But we're really happy with how we sailed overall. There were some really close finishes, some very tactical sailing. We definitely knocked some boats out using starboard, which is always fun. So I'm happy with how we did, and I know Chris is too, but we're really chasing podium next year. So if you're watching this, we're coming for you.